All right, folks, let's talk about Takaful. You know that thing that sounds like a delicious Turkish dessert? It's not, but it is pretty sweet if you're looking for an ethical and community-minded way to protect yourself financially. Think of it like insurance, but with a whole lot more heart. And no, it's not just for Muslims. It's for anyone who believes in fairness and shared responsibility. Takaful is all about people coming together to support each other. It's like a giant safety net woven with threads of compassion and cooperation. So, if life throws you a curveball, Takaful's got your back. The best part, Takaful operates on principles of Islamic finance, which means it's all about transparency and fairness. That means no hidden fees, no gambling with your money, and definitely no interest. Because come on, who wants to pay interest when they're already going through a tough time? Let's break down the core principles that make Takaful special. First up, Ta'awun means cooperation in Arabic. It's about helping each other to create a stronger community. Next, generosity and giving back. Contributing to a Takaful fund helps those in need. And it's like saying, I've got your back. Everyone shares the risk and reward. It's a team effort, benefiting from collective strength. Takaful avoids interest, uncertainty, and gambling. Takaful is about keeping things ethical and transparent. Okay, so how does this whole Takaful thing actually work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. A group of people with similar needs, let's say they all want health coverage, pool their money together into a fund. This fund is managed by a Takaful operator, kind of like a conductor leading an orchestra. The operator invests the money ethically and responsibly, making sure it grows steadily over time. Now, when a member needs financial assistance, say they have a medical emergency, the Takaful fund steps in to cover the expenses. It's like having a giant financial safety net ready to catch you when you fall. And the best part? Any surplus funds at the end of the year are either reinvested or distributed back to the members. That's right, you could actually get some money back. It's like a bonus for being part of a community that cares. Benefits of choosing Takaful. Now let's talk about the perks of choosing Takaful. First and foremost, it's Sharia compliant, meaning it adheres to Islamic principles of ethical finance. So if you're looking for a way to manage your finances in a way that aligns with your faith, Takaful is the way to go. But even if you're not coming at it from a religious angle, there's still a lot to love about Takaful. It's all about ethical and social responsibility. You're not just protecting yourself, you're contributing to the well-being of an entire community. It's like being part of a giant support group, except instead of sharing stories, you're sharing financial security. And let's not forget about the potential for profit sharing. That's right, with Takaful, you have the opportunity to earn a share of any surplus funds. It's like getting a dividend for being a responsible and community-minded individual. Takaful versus conventional insurance. Okay, so how does Takaful stack up against traditional insurance? Well, both aim to provide financial protection, but that's where the similarities end. Conventional insurance is like a business transaction. You pay a premium, and they pay out if something goes wrong. But Takaful is different. It's about mutual support, shared responsibility, and a deep commitment to ethical practices. While conventional insurance often involves interest and profit-driven motives, Takaful is all about transparency and fairness. There's no fine print, no hidden fees, and no gambling with your money. It's a breath of fresh air, in an industry often shrouded in complexity and confusion. So, there you have it, folks. Takaful is a breath of fresh air in the world of finance. A system that's not just about profit, but about people. It's about community, compassion, and creating a world where we all have each other's backs. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom.